I hope you're enjoying the channel. If you are, please hit the subscribe and the like button. While on safari in South Africa, we did an elephant encounter that we booked through our resort, Leopard Sands, in between our morning and afternoon safari drive. The resort provided the transportation to and from Elephant Whispers, which is located in Hazyview. If you have your own transportation, you can book directly with Elephant Whispers for a less expensive rate. We did the 1-hour elephant interaction. They have several other options to choose from, including interaction and walk with elephants, elephant interaction and ride, as well as a half-day option. We're getting ready to do an excursion through Leopard Sands here. It's going to be called Elephant Whispers. That's the place we're going to be going to. It runs, it's 2,800 Rand per person, which breaks down to about $150 US dollars. We are meeting at 11 a.m. this morning to head over for a 12 o'clock interaction with the elephants. So I think they have a total of 5 elephants that cannot be released back into the wild, so a rehab type center. So we will check that out. So, all right, so here we are at Elephant Whispers, and we will be heading out to see the elephants pretty soon. This is just the entryway when you come in.
So these are the 2 girls. So the one on your right side, her name is Andile. She's 27 years old, and Andile means to multiply. Then we've got this little girl, her name is Lindiwe. She's 23 years old, and Lindiwe means the girl that we've been waiting for. She's the youngest in the group, so she can become a drama queen sometime. Girls, head check. Head check again. One more time, head check. Well done. Sisyphus, stand up. Right, this is our young bull, and his name is Sisyphus Mukronata. Nice long name. Name and surname. He's 27 years old, and Sisyphus Mukronata, it's a scientific name of a buffalo thorn tree. Right, Sisyphus, can you talk to the guest? Well done. Kamari, intended? Right, this is our middle bull, and his name is Shamwari. He's 30 years old, and Shamwari means friend, and is very friendly. Is your name Shamwari? You say yes? Say yes again? Well done, good boy. Tembo, stand up. Right, this is our big bull, and his name is Tembo. T-E-M-B-O. And the Tembo means elephant in Swahili language. Swahili, that is the language they use in countries like Kenya, Tanzania, Rwanda, even Congo. He's 40 years old, and he weighs above 7 tons, and is still growing. They stopped growing at the age of 45, 46. Tembo, can you talk? Talk again. Good boy. Right. Boys, make up your positions. Girls, make up your positions.
This elephant, his name is Tembo. And what Tembo is feeding on those grass is not sugarcane, it is called banana grass. And the banana grass, it is the cross breed of sorghum and millet. Right guys, now it's time for you to feed Tembo. Go through my game pellets, got some pellets, with hand. Hold the trunk like this. Then you drop some pellets inside this trunk. Then after that, you hold the trunk. Then from there, you walk around that side. Then right there. Start filling in all the way.
So with your left hand, you can feel behind the left. You can feel together and look at the camera there. It's nice and soft and warm. All right, then you can come this side. So the ears are for the cooling system. They work the same as the radiator of a car. So inside it's soft, then outside it's hard. So it is hard outside to protect these veins which are close to the surface. Okay, let's feel the skin. It is hairy, and these are sensory hairs. They are connected to the nerve system, so they are there for feeling. And they've got knees and elbows, just like us. This is the elbow. Little bit rough. It needs some moisturize, some Nivea, Ingram, camphor cream. So it is hard like this. It's because before they lie down, they have to go with their knees and elbows first. Then they lie on their sides. Okay. And they've got two nipples in between the front legs. And they are much bigger in female elephants than in male elephants, just like us. Okay, let's feel the belly. These are all fats.
Oh,
He's a fatty boy. You can put your hand further in and feel the six-pack.
That's sturdy.
Come close a bit. Further in. Right there.
Oh, wow.
Sorry.
No, that's fine.
So
That's impressive.
what he's doing now is chasing these tiny flies. There are tiny flies that bother them a lot. Yeah.
yep.
You see, he's checking the skin, trying to get rid of flies. All right. So,
Wow.
yeah, those are the stomach muscles to support the stomach content. That is. And walk.
All right, and that's what it is, touching an elephant. Very, very cool.
Trunk up.
Very cool.
So right there, there's a muscle which opens and closes. That's how elephants get rid of oxygen.
He's tearing it apart. All right, leaving Elephant Whispers
highly recommend this place. Really cool interaction with the elephants, but you also learn so many facts about them. Really a lot of cool information never knew about. So hey, $150 US per person, a unique experience. Highly recommend. Beautiful little facility that they have here, and the guys that handle it and run it and walk you through everything, they're fantastic. So again, give a big thumbs up.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button.